Hi children, welcome back to our channel bhavyasclk tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about singular and plural. Okay, so some example for the singular and plural words. Okay, what is singular? Singular means when we talk about people or thing in single form, only one. For example, I have one marker. Okay, and I have one pencil. Okay, I have one water bottle. I have one water bottle. Okay, like that. I have one book. I have one book. Like that. So it is a singular form. What about plural? For example, when we talk about people or things which are more than one in number. For example, I have two marker. I have two markers. So marker is a singular and markers are a plural. Okay, like that. I have one pencil. So when we talk about people or things which are more than one in number, so what we have to do? We add an yes. We add an yes for a naming word. So we call these plural naming words. For example, pencil. So this is a singular form. Plural form for this, pencils. Pencils. Tree. Plural form this, trees. Girl. Girls. We add yes for this naming words. So these are plural naming words. Bee, bees. Car, cars. Table, tables. Cake, cakes. Dog, dogs. Okay. Next. Flowers, flowers. Comb, combs. Carrot, carrots. Kite, kites. Tool, tools. Okay, like this. So I have already write here another table for singular and plural. So what is the difference for these? Pencil, pencils. So here I already wrote here dress, bus, watch, box, fox, brush, peach, church, lunch, wish, switch, mango. Okay, what we have to do here? So what is the plural form for these naming words? Dress. So what is the plural form for this dress? Dresses. So plural form is dresses. So when we have to use, so here we have to use es at the ending naming words. The ending words are plural form. The ending words are es. So why? So if a word ends in yes, comma x, ch or sh. If a word ends with yes, x, ch or sh, so we add es. What we add? We add es at the end. Es at the end to make the word plural. So for example, dress, it ends with the word s. So dresses, es. Bus, this word also ends with the letter s. So we add the plural form buses, that is es. Okay. Watch, so this word ends with the letter ch. So ch. So watches, the plural form this watch, that is watches. So es, we add es for this word. So box, box, box. This end with the letter x. Yes. So what we add? We add es. So boxes. Plural form is boxes. Es. So boxes. Boxes. Okay. Fox. It is also the word end with the letter x. So what we have to add for this plural form, that is es. So foxes. 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 So brush. So brush. So brush. This word end with the letters sh. So sh. So what we have to write for the plural form for this brush? Brushes. So es. We add es. Brushes. So next, peach. peach. So this word end with the letter ch. Okay. The word end with the ch. So what we have to add? That is es for plural form. Peaches. Peaches. Okay. Church. chu or ch. So this is also ends with the word letter ch. So churches. So plural form this church. Churches. Lunch. Lunches. Wish. 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 Wishes. So this wish word ends with the letters sh. So wishes. Okay. Next, switch. 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 So ends with the word ends with the letter ch. So plural form this switch. Switches. switches. Ches. So mango. 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 Mangoes. Mangoes. Okay. Like this we have to practice the singular and plural words. So I have show here some examples, children. So we have to practice like this singular and plural forms. Okay. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.